Okay, so once you enter the room, left side where you have the television, and there is a very small basic TV unit, which is pretty cute actually. And this is a huge room. आप इस room का length assess कर पाओगे कि नहीं, I don't know. But trust me for this is one of the biggest rooms that we have actually stayed in. Okay, right side where you have a sofa set. This gives you that drawing room wala vibe, which I'm loving. You have a double-seater sofa. You have a very pretty squarish coffee table. There is a I don't know what it is, abstract painting, and वहाँ पे भी एक side table है. So दो लोगों के लिए more than enough. But yeah, we are really liking it. काफी spacious है, तो आराम से रह लेंगे. यहाँ पे एक काफी अच्छा chair है. मतलब it's a pretty unique design. Unique shape, and वहाँ पे you have a study desk kind of a thing with a normal simple chair and a plant. So it's very cute, basic and minimal kind of vibe. You have a cute coffee kitchen corner आप बोल सकते हो, जहाँ पे फिलहाल हमारा welcome drink रखा हुआ है. So just imagine we are ordering in dinner and हम दोनों यहाँ पे बैठ के खा रहे हैं. So complications of carrying the food to the bed, फिर बेड पे खाना गिर रहा है, वो सब यहाँ पे नहीं होने वाला है. Very nicely planned room actually. So यहाँ पे you can basically if you plan to make something, cook something, वो सब भी कर सकते हो. Basic essentials है like a microwave, and then there's a kettle, coffee mugs, then you have your basic tea coffee sachets, and 2 glasses, 2 bottles of water. Again no plastic. They have provided glass water bottles. यहाँ पे एक sink है quickly if you want to clean up something. Semi modular kitchen kind of vibe going on, is pretty good. And ये मुझे बहुत अच्छे लगे ये lamps. They are really adding a lot of vibe to this place, to be very honest. And yeah, that's that. Lot of storage जो हमारे किसी काम नहीं आने वाला है. So now this drawing room and the kitchen area वाला part ends here. इसके बाद the wooden flooring वाला part starts. So this is actually the size of a 1 BHK in Mumbai, or maybe even bigger than a 1 BHK in Mumbai, to be very frank. So ये wooden flooring वाला area start होके bedroom start हो जाता है. They could have given a partition here because it's just the two of us, doesn't really matter. Munnar is the queen of hill stations, and this is a queen size bed. यहाँ पे the towels you can see very cutely they've arranged it like flowers basically, and यहाँ पे resort का नाम लिखा हुआ है Swiss County Munnar. वहाँ पे हमारा luggage placed है, and this is the wardrobe area guys. This part is open. And this part is the mirror, okay? यहाँ पे you have hangers also, some drawers, storage, that kind of stuff. यहाँ पे side table है with a beautiful lamp, and another side table with a lamp. Both these corners have charging stations, which is also pretty amazing. Now coming to the view, because बहुत रात हो चुकी है, लगभग 7:30-8 बज रहे हैं, तो कल सुबह जब मैं vlog करूँगी तब आप लोगों को view दिखा देंगे. For now, we are signing out. Hi guys, good morning. So it's the next day in Kerala. Hi, good morning, welcome or welcome back to my channel, Rukma's Life. If you haven't watched part 1 by any chance, please do watch part 1 of the Kerala series. I will link the video down below. It's a beautiful morning in Munnar. Loving the vibe of this place. It's such a cute little hill station. So glad we could be here this August, because last year we remember we had gone to Mahabaleshwar, which is in Maharashtra itself. But this year we thought we'll just try out some other city, some other state, and here we are in Munnar. So we've begun the day on a very, very good note, on a very fresh note. Let's just show you all the view from the room. So guys, here's the view from the room. It's beautiful, absolutely. Let me just take you all up ahead. Look at those clouds. Hey guys, so you can see अभी थोड़ा सा जो है clouds clear up हो गया है, so you can see the view a little better probably. And I'm gonna zoom you guys into the plantations right there, if you can see, yeah. So वहाँ पे ही अभी जाने का plan है basically. The resort that we are staying at is Swiss County Resort, and yesterday itself we shot the room tour for you guys. Yeah, so very, very excited now. Of course, it's just 7:15 in the morning. We'll just, have our bath and order some breakfast. So basically, breakfast is included in the package. It's like a big villa. It's not really a homestay, it's a resort, but I think because they really believe in not wasting any food. Hence, you know, they've told us that order for your breakfast, whatever you want, we'll have it made. But there is no buffet system. I quite like that because these people, they seem like they don't want to waste any food, which is great. I think it was a lovely start to the morning. I'm just gonna make 2 cups of coffee now and we're gonna sit in the balcony. There are these 2 chairs in the balcony. So यहाँ बैठ के अपन कॉफी पी सकते हैं, ये व्यू एंजॉय करते रहते हैं, which is just too good. Hello guys, we'll quickly make some coffee. विवेक का कप ले लेते हैं यहाँ से. गुड मॉर्निंग.
गुड मॉर्निंग.
कॉफ़ी ठीक है?
यम.
और क्या ब्लंडर किया आपकी वाइफ ने सुबह सुबह?
हो जाता है, ठीक है.
गाइस, तो थोड़ा सा मैंने मैसअप कर दिया है. आई विल शो यू व्हाट इट इज. 1 कप कॉफ़ी तो मैंने बना लिया, दूसरा कप मैंने यहाँ पे पूरा गिरा दिया है. बैड स्टफ. एनीवे, दीज थिंग्स आर नॉट, यू नो, ऑलवेज इन आवर कंट्रोल. थोड़ा सा इसको क्लीन अप करवा लेंगे एंड फिर चलते हैं ब्रेकफास्ट के लिए. बाय द वे गाइज, जो मैंने अभी नाइट सूट पहना हुआ है ना, ये जो नाइट ड्रेस है, ये मैंने ना रिसेंटली वेस्ट साइड से लिया था एंड दिस इज जस्ट सो comfortable. If you guys are looking for the most comfy night suit, you can definitely check out the night dress section of West Side. मैं आप लोगों को क्विकली दिखा देती हूँ बैक कैमरा ऑन करके. Guys, this is the night dress. It's so cozy and comfortable. बहुत ही soft material का है. I'm so loving this. Very very comfortable. This room has another window on this side. यहाँ पे क्या व्यू है वो एक बार देख लेते हैं. अच्छा, this is the road, I think, through which we have come. This is the road and the hill view is this side, जहाँ पे हमारा balcony है. Let's see what Vivek is up to. क्या कर रहे हो? क्या कर रहे हो? अच्छे लग रहे हो, ये बैकग्राउंड भी अच्छा लग रहा है.
Thank you.
Are you having a good time?
Yes, with you always.
Always.
Yeah.
Okay. चलो, I'll try calling again in the reception.
Okay.
फिर चलते हैं for walk and breakfast. सो गाइज़, वहाँ पे हम जाने वाले हैं कुछ देर बाद घूमने के लिए, वो टी प्लांटेशन वाले एरिया पे. ब्यूटीफुल. My second cup ऑफ द डे। आपका कहाँ है जी?
पहले से हम 3 कप पी चुके हैं।
अच्छा, मेरा टूट गया था ना पहला वाला, समझो यार।
ठीक है, तुम पियो।
Guys, so this is my second cup of coffee for the day. अच्छे से थोड़ा सा, ताकि नींद प्रॉपरली खुल जाए, आई रियली नीड माई कॉफ़ी। सो ये कप पी लेते हैं, फिर मुझे नहाने भी जाना है, पैकिंग भी करना है, एंड देन चेकआउट करके वी आर मूविंग इन टू अ न्यू होटल फॉर टुडे, एंड आपको भी लेके चलेंगे हमारे साथ। सो आई जस्ट गॉट डन विथ माई बाथ एंड विवेक हैज़ गॉन इन फॉर हिज बाथ. So I'm gonna get ready very quickly, keep the makeup very, very minimal. I'm not carrying my hair dryer this time. So what I've realized is whenever I carry my hair dryer, the hotel has a hair dryer to provide. And whenever I'm not carrying a hair dryer, the hotel does not have a hair dryer. I guess that's just life. तो उसका कुछ कर नहीं सकते. But no complaints. What we'll do is we'll just do our makeup very quickly. And I've got a bit of a cold. Vivek also has a cold. सो प्रॉबली वहाँ से मुझे हुआ है या फिर पता नहीं, थोड़ा सा यहाँ पे जो वेदर है ना, चेंजिंग वेरी क्विकली, लाइक इट्स सनी एंड देन इट्स क्लाउडी अगेन, देन इट्स अगेन सनी. सो या एनीवे, लेट्स जस्ट गेट रेडी वेरी क्विकली एंड आई एम गोना शो यू माय OOTD एंड मेकअप. सो लेट्स गेट रेडी वेरी, वेरी क्विकली. Hey there you guys, so makeup is done. As always, a very simple basic makeup look. I don't like very heavy makeup, so just very little bit of eyeshadow. आप समझ भी नहीं पाओगे कि मैंने eyeshadow पहना हुआ है. Eyeliner, mascara, lipstick and sunscreen, BB cream and some compact powder. Oh, by the way, I recently uploaded a Nykaa सेल हॉल. इन केस यू गाइज हैवंट चेक्ड इट आउट, डू चेक इट आउट. वहाँ मैंने आप लोगों को बोला था कि ये जो कॉम्पैक्ट पाउडर है ना, लॉरियल इनफैलिबल का, ये मैंने पहले भी यूज किया हुआ है, लेकिन मैंने एक दूसरे शेड में यूज किया था. आई हैड यूज द आइवरी शेड. दिस वन इज इन द रोज सैंड शेड, ओके. एंड आई वॉज अ लिटिल स्केप्टिकल कि विल दिस शेड सूट मी. आई थिंक इट सूट्स मी ब्यूटिफुली. It's just my skin but better. So you guys can definitely check out this particular compact powder. It's really wonder in a small dabba basically. So it's amazing. अभी चलते हैं, देखते हैं विवेक क्या कर रहा है. If he's ready, then we're gonna quickly just wrap up the packing and we're gonna leave for our next destination, of course, after clearing the bills. Let's first see what Vivek is up to. Baby,
हेलो।
क्या कर रहे हो?
कुछ नहीं।
हो गया, फ्रेश हो गया क्या?
यस।
सो पैकिंग हो गया आपका?
हाँ।
एंड आपकी वाइफ का?
वाइफ का तो वाइफ ही बताएगी अभी।
आपको क्या लग रहा है, हुआ है कि नहीं हुआ है? He doesn't know what to say. Every answer can be risky right now. Yeah.
हो गया होगा।
हो गया होगा? इतना कॉन्फिडेंस? चलो सबको दिखाई देते हैं कंडीशन. ये है मेरा बैकपैक, कल का नाइट वेयर, टूथब्रश, medicine, lot of random things. You can see some cosmetics here. Look at my suitcase. Oh my god, this needs to be addressed ASAP. But what I just get attached to very much is always the view from our rooms. Look at that beauty, you guys. It's very difficult to get over this. चलो फटाक से पैकिंग पूरा कंप्लीट कर लेते हैं and yeah, then we're gonna leave and I'll see you soon. Okay, hey guys, so full packing is done, completed. This is my small suitcase, this is my backpack, and this is some chocolate that we got yesterday. The full Kerala haul is gonna come very soon on the channel, so stay tuned. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Packed my tripod, so just holding the phone. Husband is also ready, just wearing his shoes. That's his new backpack. This is his suitcase and we are sorted and we're gonna say bye to this lovely, lovely, lovely room. This was huge and so comfortable and clean. Let's say bye-bye and move on to our next destination. Let's go.
Bye-bye.